Hi friends, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I'm here today with a really quick tip for what to do if your ink pad is too juicy. Have you ever re-inked these or gotten them brand new and they just have what seems like a touch too much ink in them? Well, that causes problems. So especially with some of our smaller, more detailed photopolymer stamps or distinctive stamps. Try to show you this up closer, but there's supposed to be a lot of color variation in this whale right here, and I'm just not getting it. So I know one time I had too much ink in my pad and I like soaked it out with paper towels. Okay, there is a much better way than that, and this is it. Take a clear block and you're going to press on that pad and kind of like push that ink. Chamois is the word coming to mind. I'm not sure if that's right, but push down and squeeze that ink out of it and bring it back to one side of your pad. So now I'm going to make sure this is cleaned off on my chamois. Dry it off real fast on my hand. Now let's try this again and see if it looks any different than the first time. Okay, that is a little bit better. We're going to try it again. Do this a few times. I think I got more than a little bit too much ink in this pad. Let's try it again. There, it is starting to look a lot more like what that whale is supposed to look like. See all that variation right in here? So anytime you have too much ink in your pad, do not feel like you have to get rid of that ink somehow. All you have to do is grab a block, squeeze it down to one side, ink it up, and your stamp should stamp much better. Hope this helps. Please join me again next time and visit my blog, scrappingstampingandstuff.com. Have a great day.